Turkey, Syria earthquake kills at least 600 people. Early Monday morning at approximately 4:17 local time, a strong earthquake measuring 7.9 at the Richter scale struck the Turkey-Syria border. It affected the areas of Kahramanmaraş and Turkey's Adana, Gazientep and Dijarbakia. These are the main areas of Turkey where the tremors were felt. Gaziantep in the bordering area was the epicenter of the earthquake. Syrian cities of Aleppo, Latakia, Tartas were affected severely, and most of the people who died in this earthquake are from the Syrian province. Many countries have offered their help to these two countries so that rescue work can be done quickly and bodies can be taken out. It is also being said that many people across both the countries are stuck inside the rubble of the buildings that have collapsed. Many buildings have collapsed, especially in Aleppo, where tall buildings have collapsed due to the earthquakes, and as rescue work is being hurried up to take out dead as well as the few alive people who are still stuck inside, many countries have come across to help. Experts have said that another earthquake may take place. As it happens when an earthquake takes place, a second earthquake is soon expected. People have been asked to be careful and rescue work is going on a huge scale. Government of both the countries have said that the number of people dead may rise at an alarming rate, and they are expecting many more people to be buried inside the rubble. Earlier, Italy had given a tsunami warning, and now they have said that people need to be careful and take extreme care to stay away from the seas and feel safe. Countries like India have offered their support. Even Ukraine's President Vladimir Zelensky has said that they are ready to offer friendly assistance to Turkey in this hour of crisis. The tremors were so intense that even in Egypt's capital of Cairo, the tremors were felt. Not only that, parts of Syria, Cyprus and Lebanon have also felt these tremors. Syria as it is has felt the tremors, but the other side of Syria, not the bordering areas, the other areas of Syria have also felt these tremors, and Cyprus and Lebanon have also felt the tremors. In the next few days, another earthquake may strike these regions as is being believed by the experts. Stay updated with me.